Greetings, students. We're going to look at the Parenting Styles Journal and the instructions for that assignment in this video. So I am going to Modules, and I am going to scroll down. And prior to doing the Parenting Styles Journal, you should have completed pages 1 through 6 of the Developmental Psychology. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. We're going to pretend I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I get to page 6. And I'm going to read about these parenting styles, Diana Baumrind. I would also access this information from your e-text, which is going to go a bit more in depth, but this will give you, the gist of it. Again, to go more in depth, you want to make sure you're also accessing your e-text before doing this assignment. Once you've gone through those first 5 pages, and in particularly, especially this page, you're going to go down the bottom. It says, now's your opportunity to apply what you've learned about parenting styles to your future children. In the assignment, you're going to examine each parenting style more in depth and rationalize which would be best for raising your child. And so, again, like always, our journal assignment is going to be in the gray bar to the right, and so is our rubric. So make sure you check over the rubric before you complete the assignment. Okay, so our journal entry. Think about what you've learned from this module on the 4 different parenting styles. Has any one parenting style stuck out? Can you identify the parenting style your parents use, or maybe even the parenting style your grandparents used on them, meaning your parents? For this assignment, you're going to provide some insight into what you have learned about parenting styles and apply what you have learned to any future children that you may have. So this is hypothetical. Summarize in your own words, this includes proper paraphrasing, each of the 3 types of styles as identified by Diana Baumrind, and then for each, be sure to explain what the parent expects from the child, how the parent interacts with the child, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the style, and what are the possible outcomes for the child as an adult if they are raised according to this style. So what kind of adult will this parenting style create? After reviewing each of the 3 parenting styles, choose any one that you think you would want to use with your own children one day. Explain why you chose this parenting style and how you'd learn this parenting style and what issues would arise if your partner had a different one. So please provide APA citations and proper paraphrasing. Remember, your APA citations go on a separate page, and they need to be double spaced throughout. The whole paper needs to be double spaced throughout, and you indent those citations on the second line in each thereafter. And so that's something just to note. Now, something confusing that I noticed when I was reading this out loud is it talks about, at the very top here, I feel like I read 4 somewhere. You're going to write 4 paragraphs, but there's 3 parenting styles that you're going to be looking at. So the first will be, let's go back to the module and look. The first will have to do with authoritarian, permissive, and then authoritative. And so these are the 3 that you'll be writing about. The 4th paragraph will be your interpretation of which one you would like to use as a parent, and hypothetically in the future. So again, your journal entries are formal papers following APA guidelines, and you should be adding some depth to these. It should go beyond simply what is in these very short synopsis of each parenting style. So go to your textbook, go to the internet, learn a little more about these parenting styles. These journal entries are aimed at making you grow your psychological knowledge, beyond what is just in the module. And so I hope that helps. Good luck.